Hello again. Here we are. I've got a door panel, the driver's door panel or any door panel on a Giulietta, Alfaman Giulietta, and what's happened is the little plastic handle that holds the clip has broken. So I've got myself a new one here. There's a new one there. And what I've done, I've taken the door panel off. I've melted the back here, here and there. That's how they keep their door handles in position. I've melted them and I've pushed the old unit out, and now I'm ready to put the new unit in. So I tuck it in, make sure I got it the right way, and with lots and lots of struggling, because it's all plastic crap, isn't it? With lots of struggling, I'll get this in, and then I'm going to either melt the tags over or I'm going to glue the tags in position. See you in a minute.